Hello, this is for interview 7 for Java 1. This is generate a random string or a random array of 20 characters, uppercase and lowercase. Now let me go ahead and show. I have nothing open except for what I needed, which was the instructions and interview 1 and like all that. Windows P. Win P. There we go. Yeah, see, only one screen. There we go. Okay, let's get this into appearance, presentation mode. Okay, so here we are. We have my main, my gen chair, my gen car, and my print car. So gen char is probably the most complicated one, so let's go ahead and start with that. We go ahead and make an array of characters called car array and equal to new car 20, which just gives it 20 empty slots. And then there's a for loop here for defining all 20 of the slots. So it goes off of the character array.length. And we have a flip. We have a random right here, which generates a random double between 0 and 1. If rand flip is greater than 0.5, so half the time it's going to make an uppercase letter and half the time it's going to make a lowercase letter. So this is the ASCII chart. This is where the ASCII chart starts for, I had to do this because there are numbers, there are index values in between the uppercase and lowercase sections of the ASCII chart. So I had to make a 50-50 to generate it instead of just making it a whole range between them, because then it would have punctuations inside of it and all that, which we don't want. So 97 is where the lowercase values start, and 65 is where the uppercase values start. And then times 26, and you're casting math.random times 26 to an int, so it'll be somewhere around, it'll be somewhere inside of, it'll be somewhere above, it'll be somewhere 26 characters above 97 or 65, if that makes sense. And then that just generates a random character. And then it returns the character array once it's done. And then we have a void down here, print character, and it takes an array of characters as an input, or as a parameter. And so for the length of the array that you put as the parameter, just output every value of it, plus a space. And then up here we have car array, which is set equal to the value of gen char. I'm going to mix up how I pronounce that every single time. And so that gives it a random array of 20 characters that are uppercase and lowercase. And then print car for car array just prints out all of those values. So let's go ahead and see it in action. So yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And as you can see, they're uppercase and lowercase. Run it again, it's a different set. Run it again, it's a different set. Run it again, you get the idea. So that should be all.